Hello, welcome to my sewing channel. Here's a tutorial on how to sew a dog bone toy. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and alert button for more upcoming videos. So here I have some polar fleece fabric. I have the shape of the dog bone. We have a squeaker, fabric pen, some fabric scissors and some stuffing. You need to fold your fabric in half and you need to place the template at the edge of the folded half. This is so it creates the whole bone shape. Use your fabric pen and draw around the shape. Repeat this as we need two bone shapes, one for the back and one for the front. Now we're going to cut our shapes out. Now we're going to place our fabric, both right sides together. Then we're going to clip this in place so it doesn't move when we're sewing. We're going to sew all the way around the bone and we're going to make sure we stop here and leave a gap. Now it's time to turn it the right side out. Now we need to start stuffing the dog bone. Don't forget to insert the squeaker into the bone and then continue stuffing. We need to hand sew the gap up. Here I am using a slip stitch. And here we have our dog bone toy. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials.